Okay, so now we're going to have a tuning fork, okay? And a tuning fork is something that people use sometimes, like, sometimes they use tuning forks to, like, get the pitch of a sound. But a tuning fork is a really good way to see vibrations, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tuning fork and I'm going to hit it on the palm of my hand right here, because you don't want to hit a tuning fork against the wood because it'll dent it, and then if it dents it, it's not going to work properly. So if you hit it on the meaty part of your wrist, there's a little bone here, and if we were in school, you'd be able to hear this. I'm going to hit it. It takes a minute. Well, this one, there we go. All right, I've got it up to the microphone. I'm going to do that one more time and put it right in front of the microphone. Okay, now you can see the microphone, and I'm going to put it on the table, okay? Do that. So that goes back to that sound needs a medium, right? If I do this, okay, you should be able to hear a little bit of it because it's going through gas, but it's going through a solid, so you should be able to hear it more. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the waves of the water. I'm going to let that water sit for a second so it'll stop moving. Okay. Well, you can't get it perfect, and this one's not. Ooh, you can see a little bit. All right. Right there. I could do better than that. Yeah, you see the. Let me try again. Oh, that was a good one. All right. Maybe if I bring it up, because it's not showing it. Oh, that was perfect. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, so that's the waves of the sound waves coming off, the vibrations coming off the tuning fork and going into the water. And the water just is like the medium of it traveling so you can see it. I waited too long. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look, and you can still see them moving. The ripples of the water. I'm going to do it one more time. All right, one more time. Oh, that was good. It's super neat. All right, so now you're going to answer the questions. What did you observe when you brought the tuning fork near your ear? So you're just going to tell me, what did you observe when I hit the tuning fork and you just had it to your ear? I'm going to add an additional question that says, what did you observe when versus putting it on the table? So I'm going to add the other question. And then what do you observe when I put the tuning fork in the water? Okay. Next station.